Dahil po dito sa mga pag-aaral na ginagawa ninyo, nagkakaroon na po ba ng ugnayan ang PHIVOLCS sa iba't ibang mga agencies po natin ngayon kung papaano po puwedeng mapaghandaan ito pong the big one?
Yes po. In fact, we're constantly in contact with the LGUs and yung INDRRMC, with MMDA. And yung INDRRMC, nag-craft sila ng Oplan Yakal. This is in response to the possibility na magkakaroon ng earthquake. Ano mangyari? Anong magiging response ng ating gobyerno kapag nagkakaroon po ng paglindol along the West Valley Fault? So meron tayong Oplan na tinatawag Oplan Yakal. And may mga areas na rin po na naka-assign, may mga regions na naka-assign na tutulong in the event na magkakaroon ng malaking paglindol sa Metro Manila.
Oo.
So for example, kasi nahati in different quadrants yung Metro Manila. We have the East Quadrant and the affected cities would be Pasig City and Marikina City. And may ini-expect tayong mga regions na tutulong kasi tayo mismo hindi tayo makakatulong sa sarili natin kasi lahat tayo maging biktima. So regions 2 and regions 11 are expected to help to assist the East Quadrant. So yung West Quadrant naman, Manila City, Malabon City, Navotas City, we expect natin na yung CAR region and yung Region 10 would assist yung West Quadrant. And yung North Quadrant naman composed of Caloocan City, Quezon City, Valenzuela City, San Juan City, and Mandaluyong City. It could be Region 1 and Region 7 that would assist in the event of a magnitude 7.2. And for the Southern Quadrant, Las Piñas City, Makati, Muntinlupa, Parañaque, Taguig, Pateros, and Pasay City, it would be Region 5 and Region 6 that would assist the Southern Quadrant. So ganyan, may mga plano na po tayo. Yun yung tinatawag natin Oplan Yakal. Standby na po yan. So i-operationalize yan once na magkakaroon ng magnitude 7.2.
Okay. Sir, last na lang po sa akin bago ko po ipasa to kay Mase. Meron na ba mga indications or senyales na pinapakita po ngayon itong West Valley Fault na binabantayan nyo na talagang posible magkaroon ng the big one? And ilan na sa mga signs na yon ang nangyari na?
Wala tayong signs. Hindi yan katulad ng
or indications or hindi katulad ng
hindi yan katulad ng volcanic eruption.
Yes, oo.
But as I mentioned, base sa pag-aaral natin, yung recurrence interval ng magnitude 7.2 earthquake would happen every 400 to 600
400 to 600 years.
Based on the carbon dating. So again, the last time it moved was in 1658. So we just have to add yung 400 dun sa 1658, that would be 2058.
Okay,
so that's the reason why we're saying na nasa range na tayo ng expected
almost
na
near.
pagdala ulit ng
Medyo
West Valley Fault.
malapit-lapit po tayo.